Hi friends, today I will start with the discussion of IBPS clerical exam. Memory based questions I will be discussing today. The exam it will be conducted on 9/12/2018. The first problem I will be take they should be with related to the quote and strings. Yes. First read the questions. If the sum of upstream and downstream speed is the 36 km per hour and the speed of the current is 3 km per hour, then find the time taken to cover 52.5 km in downwards. This is the question they should be asked. The main concept is time. The question they should be asked time. Time taken to cover 52.5 km of distance in downwards. T equal to formula is D divided by S. In this case, downward, that means of D divided by downwards, the speed there should be x plus 5. At upwards, the speed there should be minus. In this case, T equal to D divided by x plus 5. We need to represent D equal to 52.5, x equal to then 36 km per hour, that is the downstream and upstream speed is 36 km per hour. We need to find out x. There should be both speed. Both speed equal to 1 by 2 ds plus us. Already we know about the ds plus us. ds means of 36 km per hour. The boat speed is 18 km per hour. 2 ones are 2 18s are 18 km per hour. There should be x equal to 18, y equal to already given the speed of the current. There should be y equal to 3 km per hour. We need to represent plus 3. T equal to 52 divided 0.5 divided by 21. 21 ones are 21 2s is 42. Remaining is 10. There should be 20. 21 5s are 5. The answer is 2.5 hours is the right answer. The second option B is the right answer. Second problem that should be related with the simple interest. The formula that should be simple interest SI equal to PTR divided by 100. What do you mean by P? P means principal, T means time, R means rate of interest, the SI means simple interest. A sum becomes, sum that should be considered as 1. The sum becomes 1.6 times it means of the sum, it means of that is the principal equal to 1. There should be 1 by 6 times it means of SI equal to 0.6. The principal there should be 1. The sum there should be 1.6 times 1 into 1.6 times. The SI there should be 0.6 itself. In 5 years there should be T equal to 5 years at simple rate of interest. Find the rate of interest. There should be R equal to 100. We need to put these values to the same formulas. PTR divided by 100. SI means 0.6. P means there should be 1. T means there should be 5 years. R we need to find out. There should be the value. Divided by 100. 5 ones are 5 20s are. R equal to 20 into 0.6. There should be R equal to, there should be 12% is the rate of interest. The principal that should be 1 by 6 times. The sum that should be 1.6 times itself in 5 years. What is the rate of interest? This is the question. The rate of interest that is of 12% is the right answer. Ratio of percentages of the two persons. Ratio of the two persons is A and B is the 3:2. After 4 years, the age ratio of A and B is 3x and 2x. We need to represent 3:2, we need to multiply any numbers. The values, the ratio cannot be changed. 3x divided by 2x. After 4 years, there should be plus. After 4 years, there should be plus. The ratio between A and B is the 3:2. 3:2. After 4 years, ratio of their ages B and A, there should be 7:10. We need to represent there should be 7:10. There should be value is reversed. There should be 10:7. We need to simplify this equation. We get the cross multiplication. 21x plus 7 4s are 28 equal to 20x plus 40. X equal to 40 minus 28. It should be x equal to. What is the question? Then find the present age of the B. Present age of the B, there should be 2x. 2x, it means of 2 into 4. There should be 24 years the age of B. The answer is C is the right answer. The difference between circumference of circle and diameter is 90 centimeters. If the radius of the circle B is 7 centimeter less than circle of A, then find the area of the circle B. The difference between circumference of circle and diameter. The difference between circumference of circle and diameter is 90 centimeter. Circumference of circle, that is the formula is 2 pi r minus diameter, formula is 2r equal to 90. If the radius of the circle be 7 centimeter less than the circle A, we need to find out the radius of the circle A. Then the circle of B is 7 centimeter less. There should be circle of B is r minus 7. Yes, we need to simplify this equation. 2 pi r minus 2r equal to 90. In this case, 2 into 22 by 7 into r minus 2r equal to 90. 2r is the common. 22 by 7 minus 1 equal to 90. We need to simplify 2 ones are 240,000. Again, r equal to 22 minus 7 divided by 7 equal to 45. 22 minus 7 is 15r equal to 45 into 7. 15 ones are 15 threes are r equal to 21 centimeter. This is radius of circle A. This is radius of circle A. Radius of circle B is 7 centimeter less. 7 centimeter less. There should be r equal to 14 centimeter. The area of the circle B is equal to area equal to pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. R means 14 into 15. 7 ones are 7 twos are. There should be area equal to 44 into 14. 14 fours are 56. 14 fours are 56 plus 5 is 616. The area of the circle B is 616 centimeters square. This is the right answer. There are 40 children in a class in which boys are 4 more than the girls. The difference between boys and girls, there should be 4. Girls, there should be x. Boys are more, there should be x plus 4. The total number of the students is 40. There should be 2x plus 4 equal to 40. 2x equal to 36. X equal to 18. The number of girls is 18 and number of boys is 22. The ratio between girls and boys is 9:11. What they have given the information, the average weight of the all four students is 42 pounds. All the students is 42.5 kg. All there should be 42.5 kg. There should be the both girls and boys average age. The ratio is girls and boys is 9:11. The girls is 48 kg. The girls is 48 kg. Then average weight of the all boys. This concept that should be related with the mixture and calculation. We need to take the difference. 48 minus 42 point. There should be the difference is 48 minus 42.5. The difference is 5.5. The value is there should be double. In this case, the value there should be of is 4.5. The difference is 42.5 kg. The difference is 4.5. We can match the value is 38. 38 to 42.5. The value difference is 4.5. In this case, the average age of the boys is 38 kg is the right answer. A man invested 15% of his monthly income in LIC. Remaining gave to his mother. Mother spent 10% of it in household expense. She had left with 30,600 rupees. Then find the salary of the man. Salary of man is 100%. Total salary of man is 100%. 15% invested, there should be LIC. The remaining, there should be 85% given to his mother. Mother spends 10%. 85 remaining 10%, there should be 8.5. 8% totally expenditure is 23.5%. The remaining is 76.5% is the remaining. In household expense, he had left with 30,600. It means of the remaining 76.5 equal to 30,600. What is the total salary of the person? There should be 100%. This is the total salary of the person. 100 into 30,600 divided by 765 into 100 should be 0. 765 ones are 765. 400 into 100 is 40,000 is the total salary of the person is 40,000 rupees is the right answer. The answer is the right answer. If 7 marks awarded to right answer, 4 marks penalty for the wrong answer. Then Prabhat's score was 263. If he attempted 58 questions, then find the number of correctly attempted questions. Attempted questions is 58. Correct questions they should be. Correct answer they should be X. Wrong answer they should be 58 minus X. Totally he take 263 marks. Correct marks awarded for the 7 marks into 7, and wrong answer they should be subtract from the 4 marks. X into 7 minus 58 minus X into 4 equal to 263. They should be simplified this equation. 7x minus 58 into 4 there should be minus 232. Next there should be minus into minus, there should be plus 4x equal to 268. 7x plus 4x equal to 11x. Again 263 plus 232. There should be 495. X equal to 495 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55. X equal to 45. Number of correct questions is 45. Wrong questions there should be 58 minus 45. There should be 13. What they have asked the questions? Correctly attempted questions is the correctly attempted questions there should be 45 is the right answer. In city, 68% of population is literate. It means the total population there should be 100%. Literate is 68%. Illiterate there should be considered as illiterate. There should be considered as 32%. The ratio of male to female is 11:6. In which ratio? Literate ratio male to female is 11:6. In 68% we need to divide 11:6. The sum 11 plus 6 equal to 17, 17 equal to 68. 11 equal to how much? 68 into 11 divided by 17, 17 is 17 fours are 11 fours are 44. There should be 4 times. 11 fours are 44, 6 fours are 24. Literate of male and female is 44 and 24. Same concept. Illiterate male to female ratio is 3:1. There should be 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 equal to 32. 3 equal to how much? 3 into 32 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 eights are 8 threes are 24. There should be 8 times 24. This is also 8 times. It should be 8. The ratio of illiterate male to female is 24:8. What they have question asked is find the ratio literate female. Literate female is 24. In the literate female to that illiterate female. Literate female is 24. Illiterate female is 8. The ratio of literate female to illiterate female ratio is 3:1 is the right answer. The answer C is the right answer. Ratio of length and breadth of the rectangle is 4:3. If the area of the rectangle is 108 cm square and breadth of this rectangle is equal to the side of the square, then find the area of that square. Area of square equal to side square. We need to find out the value of the side of the square. What they have given the information, ratio of length and breadth of the rectangle. Ratio there should be given 4:3. There should be 4x into 3x. Length into breadth there should be equal to area 108 cm square. 108 cm square. 4 into 3 there should be 12x square equal to 108 cm square. 12 ones are 12 nines are x square equal to 9 cm. X equal to 3. We need to find out length equal to 12 cm and breadth equal to 9 cm. We need to find out the area of the square. The rectangle, the breadth of this rectangle is equal to the side of the square. Breadth is 9 cm. They should be equal to the side of the square. There should be 9 square 9 square is the 80 bar. This is the area of this square.